Good afternoon, everybody. Picked up an addition today at Home Depot on clearance. So the Husky 1 gallon quiet air compressors to go with my Millwright Mega V XL 35x35 CNC. I'm gonna use this for clearing chips when I'm doing metal and also for airbrushing. I'm gonna let y'all hear this and you can actually talk over it. So I can actually hear myself think. My larger air compressor, it can't even hear inside the whole house. But I've got some dampening feet I'll put up underneath this like I have on my smaller CNC and 3D printer. And it won't vibrate as much. But just a quick update. Like I said, I picked up an airbrush from Walmart and I've started airbrushing a lot of my woodworking pieces. Makes cleanup so much easier. But if you have any questions, just post them below. Please like and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching.